Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe. Today, I'm doing laundry the old way. My washing machine finally broke and died on us. It's a shame, but we've had it for about 10 years and our friends had it for about 15 before we got it. So this washing machine did her job. Funny fact, this little stole is here because my wife is so short she can't touch the bottom of this machine without coming up on this stool. Okay, let's get busy and not procrastinating. Let's go do some laundry the old way. I got some laundry soap, what my wife always uses. Scatter some in here. I'm gonna put some in here. Fabric softener. Put a little bit in there. A little in here, scattered good. Here comes the fun part. Getting it all submerged. Soaking up all that good soapy water. My wife say my feet stinks too much. I wonder if this soap will get my feet from stinking so much. Give it a good washing. I don't want to use too much water and waste water, so that's why I'm stomping them down good to make sure all the water gets good use. Okay, I think this is going to be about enough. Everything's all soaking good. We'll let this soak for a couple minutes and then I'll get it all stirred up and washed up and then rinsed off and then hung. See you in a couple minutes. Okay, it's been a minute. It's soaking for about 10 minutes. Give everything a good swirl. Make sure that soap's all soaked in. Okay, I gotta let some of this water out now. See how dirty it is? A little bit of fabric softener. All I got is spin and it don't even work half the time. But while that's gonna try to spin dry, I'll come over here. I got that hung up. They can dry. Now we just gotta wait and see how many minutes are left. 3 minutes are left. Because eventually I'm gonna get a new washing machine. It's just a matter of time and money. Until then though, I'll be doing it by hand, which sucks. It's not too big of a deal, it just sucks. Alright. I guess it kind of worked, not really. It's fun, but it's a little bit drier. But for the actual washing part of the washing machine, it don't work. And then spinning, it's 50-50 if it works. Okay, let's go put these on the line over here. Almost done. Only took a couple hours, but whatever. Saved my wife from having to do it. When we got a machine, I don't mind letting my wife do laundry because she says she does it better. But without a machine, I just feel guilty that she's doing my laundry and having to do all the hard work to get it clean. Like, I don't think it's fair. She works hard enough as it is. So I gotta find a way to get her a new washing machine here soon. Alright, I think that's about it. Thank you for joining me. This has been Adventures with the Average Joe, doing laundry the old way. Until next time, like, subscribe, hit the notification if you can. If not, I still appreciate your help, appreciate your views. Have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.